Let's also talk about Pfizer here this morning in terms of protecting your body. This just dovetails right into it. Pfizer reporting an earnings beat for the fourth quarter, topping estimates, but issuing some weak guidance for its COVID-19 vaccine as they expect sales of Paxlovid to decrease 58% from 2022, which, yeah, it probably should. And given the fact that you've seen so many people over the past 2 years, and for Pfizer, for Moderna, being able to benefit from their messenger RNA investments and the research and development and technology there's a lot that could bring to the table in the future for Pfizer, but as of right now, it just signals that there are going to be more costs, more investments that they have to make into those projects, and a lot of trial phases set to go forward in order to make sure that at a time where they're making those investments, you're also still seeing some consolidation for existing diseases or existing treatments so that they can bring those in-house as some patents start to roll off as well. They're going to be able to invest in that as well.
Yeah, Pfizer's been trying to put out this message that the COVID party, for lack of a better word, was not going to last. The pace of these COVID-related revenues were not going to last, even as it really transformed the company. And CEO Abu Borla has talked about it's transformed the way that they think at the company, that they can be more nimble, that they can take big risks, et cetera. All of that said, even as it's been messaging that things are changing, the COVID vaccine and Paxlovid numbers are going to be lower than expected. So, you know, you can do all the messaging you want, but if the reality on the ground is that it's going to be worse, then it's going to be worse, right? So now the question from the investment community is, what is indeed next? And part of it's going to have to do with the investments that you talked about in some of the new drugs and trying to meet the next challenges, the next medical challenges that come up. But for right now, they're really in a transition period.
And, you know, I'll just add here quickly, one of the biggest challenges might be just to maintain investor enthusiasm. Some last year revenue, $100.3 billion, all-time high for Pfizer. Guidance for this year, $67 billion to $71 billion. So a major deceleration plan year over year. And it will be tough to, I think, for Pfizer just to command that really relative premium multiple here to the broader market, given how far revenues might trail off.
All right, taking a look at shares there. Over the past 2 years, net higher by about 19%, but here today, down by 2% on the earnings results.